What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up here at our Orange County yard working on this new building. Yesterday I was here and put a ton of this stone inside the footprint here. We're going around and stripping the inside form off right now, getting it all cleaned up. I have our machines warming up. I'm probably not gonna put any more gravel inside right now until we know how much we are using out of the piles that I have in here already. I'm gonna start with our excavator and just pull everything to that corner and then work our way out of it. But basically our plan is to get this gravel flush with the top of the footing here, and then we have our roller up here. We had that brought up early this morning, so we will compact everything. We'll see how much it compacts. If we have to add more on top after that, we will. We do have a pile sitting here, but let us get all of these forms stripped off the inside, and then I'll hop in the machine and start spreading the stone. All right, guys, we just finished up lunch and we're getting back to work. We're making good progress on getting all of this material spread. We have it pretty much level with the footing all the way across. I'll try and get down low here and show you, but the middle is definitely a bit low. It's level until about here, and then it drops down. So we got to pull a little bit more material this way. They're just pulling the last form over there off where we made a ramp to get in here, but we do have 2 more truckloads coming. We got all of it in from the outside except by where the ramp is, because we're hoping the guy will back right up it and dump right inside for us, which would be super nice. But obviously all this in the corner here needs material. I'm about to hop back in this machine and start pushing some. But that corner, I also brought our roller in here, that way we didn't have to deal with that afterwards. But once we get this all pretty much level, we're going to start compacting it. Hopefully it doesn't compact too much. Obviously we need it tight, but if it does compact quite a bit, we'll have to add some more on top and then recompact it again. So we'll see what happens, but let me hop in this machine and pull some of this material over to the low spots.
Let's go.
All right guys, we're pretty much done for the day. We're just cleaning up the pile over here, going around and compacting the edge. Rodrigo's bringing a couple buckets in because the jumping jack compacted along the footing quite a bit. The center did not compact as much, I think partially due to running over it with the excavator the whole time. It was kind of compacting as we were going a little bit, and then obviously with the roller it made it a bit tighter, but the jumping jack pushed the edge down where I couldn't get with the tracks or the roller due to the rebar. So they're adding a little bit along the edge, compacting it again, and then we just have to clean up this pile, get it pushed outside. We will need to burn some of this up along the edge. The layout of this building here is a 40 by 60 section here, and then a 20 by 60 section down here. So we'll have one big garage door right here, pretty similar to that, and then down here in the 20 by 60 section there will be one more door. There is a footing that goes across the whole thing here. You can see it's marked out right there, so we will have to dig that out. It is only 6 inches below the top of the footing right now, so it's not much. We'll do that with a shovel. It is 10 inches from the top of the slab. This is a 4-inch slab in here. So we have a little bit of work left to go before the concrete. Obviously we need plastic and wire mesh as well, which I believe that is happening Saturday. Rodrigo's gonna work here with one guy on Saturday and take care of that stuff. Tomorrow, nobody's gonna be here. I am running one of our plow trucks upstate to a place called Stoll-N-Crew and picking up another one of the trucks that they finished up for us. So I'll have a big update in the snow removal world for you guys tomorrow. And then I believe Monday we will be back here. It depends on how far Rodrigo gets on Saturday, but that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.